7 records tumbled at the 2-day Central Athletics Championships at GC Foster College, with St. Jago High's Marquis Page being the star of the meet, breaking his own records in 2 events. Denise Walters has our roundup.
Among the records to fall on day 1 was the boys' Class 3 100 meters. Marquis Page first to race the old mark of 11.29 when he clocked 11.19 seconds in the heats. He then lowered that to 10.89 seconds, winning ahead of teammate Andre Boyd and Edwin Allen's Khalil Archibald. Page, who is looking to defend his Class 3 hurdles title at the Asa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships in March, returned on day 2 to set the meet alight once more, shattering his old record of 13.40 seconds in the boys' Class 3 100-meter hurdles. Running into minus 4.4 gale force winds, Page clocked to 13.20 seconds to finish ahead of teammate Renil Berg 14.04 seconds and Veer Technical's Jabari White 14.22 seconds. All the races in the boys' sprint relays were timed to finals, with the Steertown Academy breaking the Class 1 record in getting the better of Clarendon College and St. Jago in 40.96 seconds, erasing the 5-year mark of 40.97 set by St. Jago.
Literally, this record is not their personal best. The personal best was run at Champs 2023, so I know that they have it in them. As long as they execute it properly, they would have gotten the record.
However, St. Jago won classes 2 and 3 in 42.92 seconds and 45.96 seconds, respectively. On the girls' side, St. Jago won 2 of the 4 4x100-meter relays. They clocked 46.07 seconds to win Class 1 ahead of Edwin Allen and St. Catherine High. They also emerged overall winners of the timed finals in Class 3 with a time of 45.59 seconds. Heidel and Edwin Allen won the timed finals in classes 2 and 4, clocking 45.54 seconds and 48.49 seconds, respectively. In other results, St. Jago's Daniel Pennant, who won the boys' 2,000-meter steeplechase open on day 1, came back Wednesday to capture the boys' 5,000-meter open in 17 minutes 12.58 seconds. Also doubling at the meet were Tonian Beckford and Junie Armstrong of Edwin Allen and Fern Court's Rihanna Scott. Beckford added the girls' 400-meter hurdles to her Class 1 400 meters victory, clocking 58.95 seconds. Armstrong won the Class 1 200 meters to go with her 100 meters victory in 24.63 seconds. And Scott bagged the Class 4 sprint double. She followed up her 100-meter success with victory in the 200 meters in 25.72 seconds. Now, in the meantime, after losing by just half a point to Heidel High last year, Edwin Allen girls amassed 384.25 points, putting daylight between themselves and the ferry-based school that picked up 254.25 points to finish a distant second.
Well, we are very grateful for our victory, and we came out here very determined to reclaim our title, and we did that in 5-star, winning by, I guess, over 100 points. Yes, which can't complain. We are very happy.
And the St. Jago, who continued their dominance on the boys' side with a whopping 324 points, also had a huge gap between them and Clarendon College, 222 points in second place.
This was a sweet championship for us because our team, we don't have a big team, we have a medium-sized team, but all the boys came here and performed credible.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.